Sterilization is important for your baby's health. Always ensure that prior to sterilizing the bottles and accessories, they should be washed and rinsed thoroughly first. To use the Rapid Steam Sterilizer, begin by pouring in 90 ml of water into the bottle chamber. Insert central rod into the bottle tray until it clicks. Keep central rod completely flat against bottle tray. Place the washed bottle upside down on the bottle tray and lower them into the steam chamber. Place accessories to be sterilized onto the accessory tray and slide the tray over the central rod. Cover the translucent lid properly and press the power on button to start the sterilization cycle. The indicator lamp will light up. It will take approximately 6 minutes to complete. It will be kept sterile for 24 hours without opening the lid. The Rapid Steam Sterilizer by PIGEON.